Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be taking away the ugly chrome off of his car using leftover plasti dip from my rims. So the first thing we're going to be doing on this beautiful morning is we're going to be ripping off the chrome from around the door and around the roof of the car. So we're going to start off with getting off the top chrome trim. I heard you just pull it off because there's like little hangers or buttons if you want to call it. So it should just come right off. Oh, okay. There you go. Broke. That was just the sound of a lot of debris coming off. If you could come here and look, you could see all the clips. Should I start going slow with it? It's a lot easier if you do it with the doors open. Dirty. Almost there. That one fell off. Okay. Oh, gotcha. First piece of trim. Alright, now that we have the whole top done, we're just going to take this piece off and the piece on the other door off. Then we're going to start plasti dipping. It's best to use a card just to get in there. And you should just pry up nice and easy. Hear that click? Now it's off. Peel off nice and slow. Don't want to bend the piece too much. Now it's off. Other piece of chrome right there. We're adding this clip in now because we took all the bottom trim off the car and it was not pretty getting back in. We plasti dipped it all. The two bottom pieces, we plasti dipped it. Putting it back in was an absolute nightmare. So I wanted to add this clip in and recommend strongly, do not take off these chrome trims in the bottom because they do not go back on easily. The top part, if you want, you could take it off. It comes back on pretty easy, but these bottom trims do not take off. Because we put the plasti dip on, we put it back on, and it just didn't work out. So we peeled off the plasti dip and we put each of these back in. This one took like maybe 15-20 minutes, and this back one here, it just took hours to get back in. Hours. I really don't recommend doing it unless you're gonna buy whole new trims from BMW, because BMW said for each of the trims and the weather panel, it was I think $240 for each one. So 240, 240, 240, 240, which I didn't think was worth it. So I'm gonna show, I put these back in. And now we're going to replasti dip again. I would not take these out. Pull in. So when you have all your chrome off your car, what you're going to do is clean it off with some soapy water and a microfiber towel, because you don't want any dirt sticking underneath the plasti dip once it's on. Little pro tip. I have all this Band-Aid sleeves left over. Yeah, this is from when we were doing the lip delete when I burnt myself, but now I still have the Band-Aid marks here. So to fix it, just use some Glue Gun, you know, spray it along. Without getting inside your cut, of course. Or like that, right in there. Not like that. Use a nice clean microfiber towel, you know. That's sanitary, yeah. And just wipe. Now after that, look at that. No more mark. Glue Gun does the trick. Freaking sweet. So the first thing you're gonna do after your chrome pieces are all cleaned off, what I recommend is laying down like a piece of cardboard or like lay out paper towels or newspaper or something, so you don't get the floor that you're working on all dirty. We're gonna do it all on the grass just to give us a little more protection for the ground that we're working on. So what you want to do first is make sure you shake the can nice and well, and as you spray it on, make sure you're going even steady coats at a equal distance away from the pieces. Alright, so once you get the first coat on, just don't try and cake it on. Just leave it on like that, let it dry for like 5-10 minutes, and then come back and do your second coat. So in the meantime, I'm going to do these other smaller trim pieces. Alright, so it's been like 10 minutes now.
So just keep adding on your coats the same way as you did from the previous layer. Just keep spraying it on until it's dark enough or light enough.
This year we're gonna be doing the 5th and final coat on it. This side we have done already. We took off all the trim from the door frame and from the roof panel on both. But now we're trying the other door a different way. Right now Chris is taping it off. Because we're just gonna try the 2 different methods, and we're gonna let you know which one is easier, which ones you should try if you're gonna do a chrome delete. And then over here we have the pieces of the chrome that we did already. We're just gonna let them dry as we tape off this whole door.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just
Alright, so now we covered all this with tape and newspaper, because we're going to try doing a different method for this side of the car than we did the other side of the car. We're going to try both methods. I'll let you guys know which one we preferred more. We taped over this, we used a plastic bag. All of this now is taped off with newspaper and painting tape. Now we're just going to plasti dip right over this.
first coat coming in, boys. Let's not get inside the car.
Alright, so now this had plenty of time to dry. So we're going to put this back on the passenger side of the car.
This piece should pop right back in. Are you lined up over there? Yeah. I don't know. I guess you start hitting it.
Here we have the whole top piece in. When it's easy, the doors are closed now. We just have to put in the bottom piece. But this kid over here just decided to go on union break.
Union break?
So I guess we'll get back to you in like a month or two.
Alright, we're going to be doing the same thing as what we did on that side. We taped around the chrome. And we're going to spray the plasti dip right on the car. Because taking it off was an absolute nightmare. Don't do that. And make sure for your first coat, don't try and like put a lot on for the first coat because it's not going to be perfect. Alright, so both of these pieces both have 4 layers of plasti dip on them, about 10 minutes to let them dry in between each coat. So right now we're just going to let this sit, let it dry for another 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to be peeling the tape up off the car. And hopefully the plasti dip sticks to the chrome as we take the tape off of it.
Alright, so when doing this, you're going to get really, because the tape sticks, the tape and the plasti dip stick together, and it comes up onto this, as you can see. I have another pro tip for the video. Get a good old GameStop card, any card you like, and just run across it like this, between the tape and the layer. So you break the layer of plasti dip that's between it. You gotta be careful with it. Stick more towards the tape side. As you can see here, look at all the places that's sticking from the chrome to the tape. You just run this through and slice it. It causes less of a hassle later on. So slice that like that, run it through, and the tape should just come up without having any plasti dip with it. Alright guys, this is the final product. We have all up here done, all along the bottom done. And again, do not take off the bottom pieces if you're going to plasti dip it, unless you're going to buy new bottom pieces. These do not come back on very easy. So I would just take your time, tape around it, and put the newspaper. Do not take this off. This is all the bottom, and we have the top over here. This side's all done. And I'm going to go around to the driver's side of the car. The driver's side, from the beginning, we left it on. We left all the chrome on, and that's it there. This looks a little different, but this has been sitting for a couple weeks now, 2 weeks. But I'm happy with the results, and this is all taped around once again. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. All the chrome is gone. I'm happy about that. So now we're just going to place it black for now. I will play it by ear, see what happens. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Just like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Mint.